everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a fantastic Tuesday so far. Today we're going to take a look at this 2018 Toyota Camry LE and a Galactic Aqua Mica exterior. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to own this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing you're going to take notice of are these gorgeous LED headlights. As I pan over here towards the middle, you're going to see that black grille insert along with the black trim. Finally, here for the front end, you'll take notice of that beautiful Toyota logo. As we make our way over here to the side, let's go ahead and take a second to look at these wheels and tires. Now, it is going to come with 17-inch aluminum wheels, and then they are the 215/55 like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. While we're over here, we're going to take a quick peek at this interior as well. As you can see, it is going to come with a premium black cloth interior with dark gray running through the middle with a brown stripe right below the headrest. It is also going to have brown stitching running along the sides. As we turn around here to the dash, you are going to see that black dash finish up top, with that staying consistent down below, and that brown stitching is going to stay consistent running through the middle here as well. Now up top, above that brown stitching, you are going to see this wood-like grain trim finish with that silver trim running along all of your air vents. While we're over here at the glove box, let's go ahead and drop that. Grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now on this specific Toyota Camry, your tire depths for the left and right front are going to be 10 and 32 seconds, with your left and right rear being 11 and 32 seconds. Brakes in the front are going to be 7 and 32 seconds, with your rear brakes being 9 and 32 seconds. Coming here to the back seat, that amazing looking interior is going to stay consistent back here as well. But if we take a second just to pull out this middle seat, you are going to see that it has a center console equipped with 2 cup holders. Coming around to the rear, it does have a backup camera, so don't worry about backing up into anything. And we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how much trunk space it actually has. But really quickly, I need to come up here and go ahead and actually pop that, which is located right there to the left of your steering wheel. And as you guys can see, there is plenty of room back here to haul groceries or luggage on long trips or anything you guys can possibly think of. Moving now to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it is going to come equipped with power mirrors, power locks, power windows, and the 8-way power folding seat adjustments with lumbar support. Hopping on in, we're going to go ahead and start it up for you guys. As you see, you are going to get a nice little start up there on your middle and driver display. Now, if you take a quick look there below at your odometer, you are going to have just under 73,000 miles on this vehicle. Now there is plenty of options here on the interior, so we're going to go ahead and show you guys every single one of those as well. Here to the left side of your steering wheel, you're going to have your automatic headlights, your traction control, your trunk release, your gas cap release, a small storage compartment, as well as your hood release located right there. Now, you caught a quick little glimpse of it. You do have your odometer trip there, as well as the brightness to your driver display. The left knob behind your steering wheel is going to be all of your headlight settings, as well as your automatic headlight adjustment. It is also going to be your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. The right side is going to be your windshield wiper adjustments. The left side of your steering wheel is going to be all of your middle display, as well as your touch to talk options. And on the right side, you'll have all of your cruise control options, as well as your different drive modes, your lane assist, and your collision. Coming here over into the middle, you are going to have a large LCD touchscreen display that does come equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned previously, a backup camera. If you don't want to use the touchscreen display, there are manual options located both the left and right side of that screen, with the climate control also being right here at the touch of your fingertips. Coming down even further, you are going to have a small storage compartment up here with a 12-volt plug-in, as well as an auxiliary line in and a USB port. Coming back even further, you are going to have your beautiful shifter knob with your manual shifting options, 2 cup holders, and the center console. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top you are going to have lighting options for both your driver and passenger, as well as a sunglass holder. Take a look underneath the hood. You are going to find a 2.5 liter engine with 203 horsepower. And you also take notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and very well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you are going to have a couple of your very small typical stone chips. Like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep a garage kept its entire life. Coming back down along the passenger side of the body, as you can see, a couple of small scratches here on the front side, as well as some small imperfections here on your mirror. However, other than that, you are going to have just a very small amount of very tiny imperfections here on this rear passenger side door. Other than that though, this side is extremely clean. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys every single wheel and tire as well. As you guys can see, that front one is extremely good. No curb rash on that rim. Same thing, this tire is in extremely good condition. However, this rim does have some slight imperfections there at the front. Coming around to the rear, you are going to have some typical trunk scratches. All used vehicles typically have these trunk scratches, as well as some scratches up here above. Coming back down along the driver's side, taking a quick look at this rear driver's side tire. Extremely good condition, no curb rash on that. And coming back down along the body, extremely good condition, no scratches, no marks, no dings, no dents on that. However, here on the back of your mirror, you are going to have a couple of small imperfections. And finally, showing you guys this front driver's side tire. It is also in extremely good condition. However, this rim has seen its better days. That's all I have for you guys today on this 2018 Toyota Camry LE. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollumsburg, PA. If you want to see more amazing vehicles just like this one, hit that like and subscribe and make sure to turn post notifications on as well. Have a wonderful Tuesday, guys.